We bought this from Japan supermarket, and for the first time we're just gonna try this cute thing. Yeah, I know it's not a new toy, but it's the first time we are doing it. Looks complicated. Alright, what's next? It's crumpled because we've been keeping this in our luggage. Get this squashed. Just press it back into shape. Okay, we are supposed to cut the tray into 3 parts. Okay, we add water into a small pot and put the blue packet powder. Okay, so I think is that enough? There's no milk. Stir this. I put too much water, I think, and they should provide a pipette to pipette into this tray of creatures. Okay, if so, I guess the idea is to I didn't mix properly. Okay, you're supposed to put it into like this. So I think a pipette will work better. It's a bit difficult. Okay, I did it. It sets very fast. It's a jelly, so you have to be quick. Once you mix that up, you have to quickly put it in here in the mold. Next we add some more water. Oops, too much. We add this orange to this. Okay, quickly stir it before it sets. Alright. Take some and put into the goldfish. Got half a goldfish that's blue and half of the goldfish is orange. Done. Ta-da! Okay, now I think we wait for it to set completely. You put it a short while in the fridge to speed up the setting. Alright, the next step is to make that net, and it looks simple. Just pop this out, and then it's the pink one, and okay, I got it. Alright, just add some water until this mark. I think, did I get that right? Okay, I just had to pour the water until this mark. Purple thing put in here. Stir it. It's actually a chemistry experiment. It's quite difficult to dissolve this. Next is this. Put about like that, and then you put this yellow thing. I think I put too much water. So I'm supposed to fill it up to half, but I've filled up too much. Alright, it's okay. Let's see if it works. So first we got this. Okay, we alright, we supposed to dip it in there, then dip it in there for 30 seconds. Okay, let's dip it in here first, and then we dip it in here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh my god. Oh, it does. There's something there. It's like... Is there a film? Oh, is there? I think there is. Just like... Oh. Is there is a film there. Okay, so meanwhile we add water to this. Okay, let's add a bit here, here. Okay, that's enough. And we use this to pop each one out, float each one out. Oh, so cute. Oops, it didn't join. So it doesn't join. I try to do it as a whole goldfish. It comes out as 2 parts. Oh, that's cute. Star. And this. Turtle. Okay. Okay, this with the net. Okay, let's scoop one out. Oh, okay, let's scoop this. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, we put it here. Oops. And this. Star. Put it here. Goldfish. Goldfish. Oh, so cute. And put it here. Oh no, you can see it's broken. My net. Oh, okay, what do we do next? Okay, I've wiped it off with tissue and let's try again. Dip and dip. Okay, let's just continue with the cutie. Oh, so cute. Oops. Oh, so it's gotta be 30 seconds to sit there, sitting in there. Okay, the net has reformed. Let's continue. You know, why don't we just use a spoon? Oh, why don't you just use a spoon and do it? It's faster. Okay. I did not cheat, okay. I continue using this net. Oh. The net gets harder and harder to form back once it's broken. So just put okay. Oops. Alright, I successfully moved all of them here, and next step is to add the last packet of powder into there. Add this. Okay, and it's a stir. Okay, stir. Stir. And then we add the remaining of this into here. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, do we eat it like this or fridge it? It looks already set. This chemistry experiment is a success. Okay, let's okay, the final instruction does not say it needs to be refrigerated. As for the mold, it's not heat resistant, so I don't think you can use it to mold chocolates out of this, but maybe for other purposes. But it's very thin plastic. Okay, it's kind of liquid. You see? So I'm not sure, maybe in a fridge, maybe it can be refrigerated. But it's already set below, in the second half, below half, lower half, and oh! Dude, wow! Jelly. This reminds me of the jelly with goldfish inside that is sold in Japan. So that's how they make it, I guess. Let's try it. Wow. Very sweet. It is nice.